today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable your menu speed lock on your Combi using a gs911. This will basically work on any BMW motorcycle that has a TFT display, like the 2020 s1000rr, for example, as we're using now. It will work on the s1000rr, the m1000rr, the m1000 single R, etc. Basically any bike that has the TFT display as this bike does. By doing this, you'll be able to have menu access above the default of 3 kilometers an hour, allowing you to do certain things like connect to Bluetooth without having to stop first, for an example, or like changing your Race Pro settings while driving. So basically, if I wanted to change my Race Pro settings and let's just say turn off wheelie control or put it on, or change the ABS or something like that, we are able to do that now using the gs911 tool. So let me get you over the computer and I'll show you step by step how to do it. So first things first, you have to make sure that your software is up to date. If you haven't done that already, please do so. And obviously for this demonstration, we're just going to be doing it on the laptop, but obviously if you have the gs911 Wi-Fi version, you can do it on your cell phone as well. And it'll be the same steps once you get into the gs911 app. Make sure your bike is turned on. Make sure the gs911 is plugged into your OBD2 port in the back. And then go on to the gs911 diagnostic. Now once you're in here, you're going to select your vehicle. In this case, we're doing the 2020 s1000rr in the USA, which is the K67, so we would go to S series. We are going to go to K001, and we will choose our bike, which is s1000rr K67 model, 2019 plus. Let this load up, and then we will go to instrumental cluster. Then we will go to service functions on the bottom. Then we will go to coding functions. And then we will go down to configuration, which is the first one right under coding functions. Click on that. Now obviously, as you see, there's a whole bunch of different things you could use, whether you use miles per gallon, Fahrenheit or Celsius, etc. So we are going to go to menu speed lock. As you can see, it's currently enabled, and we want to disable that so that we can change things on the fly. So we're going to go to disabled, and then we will go to continue, and it will start the coding. All right, and you are all set. There's a bunch of other things you can do as well. You could go to tachometer customization on the bottom. So we'll show you that right here. And there's other things you can do, like the 16,000 rev limit if you want to do that. Currently it's on the 15,000 as stock, but obviously you could just click on the 16,000 if you wanted it for an example. So obviously I'm not doing that right now, so I'm just gonna hit cancel. And let me go get on the bike right now, and I'll show you that I'm able to change my Race Pro settings while I'm actually driving the bike. Usually that is not possible from default when you get the bike. But since gs911 has got this new update, we are able to do that, which is pretty cool. So let's head on to the bike. Alright guys, so we are out on the bike, and usually when you are riding the bike and you are over 3 kilometers per hour, you cannot change your Race Pro settings. So we are going to go onto settings over here in the menu. There it is. We'll go to configuration, Race Pro riding mode configuration, and now I could access it. So for example, if I wanted to change my wheelie control, or if, let's just say that my electronic suspension was too stiff or too soft, I can change it on the fly now, which is great. So I'm going to turn off wheelie control. Okay, it's set. I'll just go back, and there. Really simple. Pretty cool feature, like I said, that you're able to do that now.
So super convenient. I understand that they probably set it like that just because they want people to pay attention to the road, so obviously do so at your own discretion and be careful, but pretty cool thing that we can get that changed on the fly now. So if this video was helpful for you guys, make sure you subscribe and share this channel with everybody. I would highly appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.